Yours are on that side. Yep. You guys excited? What'd you get, Alex? Very nice. You got your high socks. Greg. Wow. Alex, turn around. I can't see you. Turn around, Alex, so I can see what you got. More boxers. Oh, Aubrey, what do you think that is? Uh-oh. Got to shut the alarm off.